Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a quick holiday shaker in an unusual holiday color palette, so let's get started. First I place the large Wreath stamp from Holiday Wreath in my MISTI and stamp it onto a 6x6 panel of white cardstock. I just need a light impression of the design on my panel as a reference, so I ink it lightly with black ink. I remove the panel and leave the stamp on my MISTI lid. Then I use a heat gun to quickly dry my black ink so it doesn't smear when I start ink blending. Next I'm using the coordinating layering stencils for Holiday Wreath, and I tape the first stencil over my stamp design. I use a blending brush to apply iced spruce Distress Oxide ink over the leaves portion of the wreath. I remove the stencil, quickly clean it off with a baby wipe, and then tape the next layer over the panel. This time I blend Speckled Egg Distress Oxide ink over the flowers. I repeat the process of removing and cleaning the stencil, and then tape the final layer in place. I blend Uncharted Mariner Distress Oxide ink over the stencil to color the berries. Then I remove the stencil, clean it, and let the ink on the panel dry completely. Next I place the panel back inside my MISTI, re-ink the stamp with Versamark, and heat emboss it with gold glitter embossing powder. Then I die cut it with the coordinating die to cut out the inside of the wreath and trim off the edges down to an A2 panel. I also fussy cut the edge of the wreath, leaving a small white border similar to the inside. Now it's time to create my shaker. I apply adhesive around the opening and adhere a piece of acetate over the opening. Then I build up a double layer of foam mounting tape on the panel. I fill the shaker with a mix of sequins, snowflake confetti, and seed beads in a variety of shades of white, gold, and teal. I really like using seed beads in a shaker for the sound, and also because they seem to help everything else move more easily. Once I finish adding everything to the shaker, I remove the adhesive backing from the foam mounting tape and seal the shaker with an A2 panel of dark teal cardstock. Off camera, I stamp a sentiment from Sweater Weather onto the same dark teal cardstock and then heat emboss it with gold glitter embossing powder. I die cut it with the coordinating dies and then adhere it to the acetate. Finally, I add a few dark gold pearls from the Autumn Pearl mix to the center of the flowers and around the wreath opening to finish the card. And that's it! I love this unusual color palette, I hope you do too. The aquas, teals, and golds are really pretty for a wintry holiday card. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day and happy crafting. Bye!